dog. Oh, no problem. A little bit of luck. We found what looks to be a pelvis with a... And there's a bit of a storm a brewing!
That's a nice one, holy crap.
We're gonna have our first shore lunch here. Hey, Bear. It's the morning of day 5. It's a nice, beautiful morning, but there was quite a lot of mosquitoes in our last campsite there. Absolutely gorgeous campsite, but I swear I could feel the beating of their wings while I was in my hammock there. It was just brutal. But it was an absolutely gorgeous campsite. A beautiful morning. I think we're going the wrong way.
It's warm out.
Hey. Okay, we got an early start tomorrow. We're about 3 kilometers into our paddle, and we're just coming out to the big water of Whitewater. And Wabakimi, the name of this provincial park, actually means white water in the indigenous language. Pretty beautiful paddle through there this morning. Looks nice and calm. Should be good for our crossing this morning. It's not much better than some big open water when you got a paddle in your hand.
And no rocks to hit.
No rocks to hit. It's gonna be a nice change of pace. Pretty gorgeous out here. Doesn't get much better than this.
Nope.
Nice calm water. Not really any wind.
Gentle breeze in our face. Bugs off.
Just a little west of the center of the universe, according to Beckwith. Hey? The water of the Ogoki River flowing towards us was a welcome sight, meaning we had made our crossing of Whitewater Lake. We were happy that Whitewater stayed smooth and calm for an uneventful crossing. Wild Wabakimi! Well, we just finished that portage. It was fairly well cleared, but it was just pretty long. Hey?
650?
650 meters.
That's long.
Yeah. Where's that bear print?
Probably stepped in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there was a bear print. No, there's a Ronald print.
There's rock involved in print. It's down there if you want to go look at them. Must have walked on before.
Yeah, there's one there. Okay, we're paddling up the river. The last portage was supposed to be a short portage, but we could line it, so that was kind of nice. We made some time up there. But we're making pretty good progress here. Even though we're going upstream and the wind's in our face, we're doing pretty well.
And loving it.
Loving it. We were able to pull our canoe over what was supposed to be a portage, and the widening of the river here meant it was a little bit easier paddling upstream. Okay folks, we're just taking the turn down into a more windy river section here. On our map it's marked that there's some moose in here, so maybe we'll have a sighting today.
Hopefully we do. I haven't even seen a moose yet.
Saw one on the drive up, didn't we?
Oh, we saw a few on the drive up, yeah.
We wound our way down the Berg River. Unfortunately, we didn't see any moose. Okay, we're at Oatmeal Cookie Rapids. We just did our first carry of the portage. We tried fishing out there, but to no avail. So we just settled for some trail mix for lunch. I just gotta carry the canoe, and then it's onwards. We just did a little bit of lining there. Wasn't too bad over some rapids, so that saves us some time over portaging. So we're gonna hope to push it here and make it into Outlet Bay.
Oh, easy. We'll make it there like by 5 o'clock. What time is it now?
What, I don't know. Doesn't say on my watch.
You don't have time on your watch?
No, I'm doing that.
2:45.
Okay.
Oh yeah, easy.
Well, I guess we'll see. By 5, you think?
5 o'clock. Yeah.
Okay. How about loser us to portage all tomorrow
Okay.
with the canoe? We're here at Double Falls. See, we got a waterfall there and there. When we were coming in here, a fish jumped right up in front of the boat. It was pretty cool. Almost jumped right in. A lot of water moving there. We're crushing it paddling. We're almost at 23 kilometers of paddling today. There's a couple portages coming up. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready to portage. We're here at Double Falls. It's a beautiful day. The sun's out. Gorgeous scenery. It's nice and warm. Really can't ask for much more. We've made a lot of progress in our trip too. If you look over here, we have these beautiful waterfalls. An even bigger one on that side and this one over by our portage. We got Ron trying his luck fishing. It doesn't get much better than this, eh?
No, it doesn't get much better.
Just gotta portage that gear. 2 more portages after this, and then we're gonna set up camp. Wicked. Also at Double Falls, we have these nice big moose prints. You can see how big that moose print is next to my hand. It's a big animal there. This is the trouble with going upstream. We gotta choose the lesser of the two evils, left or right. Either way, we're gonna have to paddle hard and might have to line it. What are we thinking, Ron?
Lining it down the left side.
On the very left?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we made it doing some lining there. Sorry I didn't film that. Well, I was gonna set up the GoPro, but I was worried we might tip the canoe and lose all our footage. So better safe than sorry, but we were able to line it down that left side there. And now we're moving on. We only got 1 portage to go for today.
1 for the day.
But we're doing really well. We're making really good ground today. The weather is beautiful.
Yeah.
Awesome day. Awesome day on the water.
Wicked.
We're on our last portage trail here. We just gotta go get the canoe. But the best part of the portage trail is these nice, juicy blueberries. Oh, so good.
There's Knuckles carrying the canoe.
Another day, another portage, baby.
I've carried it most of the day. He just carried it this one time, and now we have to take a video of it. Pretty typical. Cheers.
We made it here to our island campsite. Pretty beautiful here. Ron's got a fire going. I got my hammock set up in there. Got a nice sun on our island. Ron just went for a swim, and I think I'm gonna go out there and clean off. That's absolutely gorgeous here at this site. And now we're back on schedule. No portages tomorrow, so I think we made it in 6, so Ron lost the bet about being here by 5. Got in here a little after 6, so he's lucky though because there's no portages tomorrow. But it's pretty nice here. We can just relax and enjoy it. for the next few hours of sunshine we got. Okay, we're just packing up for the night, watching the sunset here. Ronald.
Look at it. Beautiful. 9:30 at night, still not down.
We had a nice dinner. What do we have for dinner, Ron?
Chicken and rice.
And
Mashed potatoes.
mashed potatoes. Yeah, it was pretty nice. We're starting to get everything cleaned up here for the night. I'm over there in my hammock. Ron's over there right beside our food in his hammock. Quite a nice little sight in here. Got my own little tarp on my hammock. Can hang some stuff to dry underneath. Whereas Ron's is kind of a standalone hammock. Coming to the end of day 5 here. Good thing is no portages tomorrow. That's the name of the game. There's Ron's standalone. Beautiful night here in Wabakimi.